Hello, good morning. I'm Adrian Crawford. It's Williams Crawford Passion for Porsche, and today a little bit of a change from our normal Monday mailer where we usually announce incoming cars. So we give a sort of prior warning to the subscribers, any new deals, any changing in pricing, things that we expect. And Ross has given me a big long list of cars to go through. I'll probably forget some of them. The other thing I want to point out is at the end of this video there's a special offer over Christmas coming along, and I'll explain that in due course. Okay, so come with me. I'll try and satisfy Ross with these various cars that he wants me to list, and let's see what's there. Right, so before I go inside and do something of my own, the 72 style 911 Resto mod, which actually is just been out in it, fabulous built car. If you're heading in that direction and you sort of fancy something older that is also a bit more able than some of the classic cars, that is a fantastic choice. Hidden under the scenes is a really good engine, really good chassis, but it's still like compliant and nice for everyday use. Really high build quality, and the price that we're charging for it is so much less than it would cost to build something of that quality. But the last man that's come in has asked us if we could paint it a different colour, and the answer to that is yes, we can, because it doesn't need restoration or anything. It's something that we do all the time. Other one here is this 77 911S. Beautiful little car in oak green metallic, very special. Can't emphasize how hard it is. How hard that would be to replace it. So let's see if I can find these cars that Ross wanted me to mention. The first one I remember is this Gen 2 Cayman, and it looks good in the video, doesn't it? And actually in the flesh this car is just beautiful. It's 28995, it's PDK. You couldn't be disappointed with this, and it's done 17,000 miles. So it's like having a new Porsche for less than £30,000. So next one that I think he's interested in me showing you is this Moke. It's a GTS. We do very well with these cars. Again, 17,000 miles. It's a 2023. It's loaded with options, including the lovely pan roof. Now, what I do recall, because I'm good with prices, is that this was £80,000 new, and as far as I can tell, it looks like brand new too. So I'm actually looking for a rhodium silver 981 Cayman, but I think it's in the workshop being prepared at the moment. He did want me to mention it, so I've done that job. Instead, I'm going to show you this one. Unusual colour. It was Aventurin, which is definitely a grey, but it's got a hint of some other stuff in it. Very attractive car. It's done 11,000 miles. So 718 PDK. These cars are gorgeous inside, really nice. And this one again seems to me like new, and that could be on your driveway for Christmas. Complete change of theme is Mini Moke. It's a 66. It's been built by a specialist, and I kid you not, is like brand new. It is something really cool. It won't be the cheapest Moke in the world. Absolute hoot to drive, because under the little lid here, and there's a clue here with the tacho, is a 970 Cooper S engine and running gear, all rebuilt, and in fact done to the competition spec of the day. So cool little Moke. Now the last one that's really caught my eye that I wanted to show you is again, well, I mean all these cars are special, but some are particularly special. This is a 997 Turbo. Now I think these are beautiful looking cars, and this one in particular on the BBS split rims with got some other little mods on it. It can go on the original wheels. There is a quite significant price difference on the originals, but it's a manual car. Just beautiful, and to have that in your garage for Christmas, I think you'd be extremely pleased. 31,000 miles. As I say, this is the price on these wheels, significantly cheaper on the original, also immaculate wheels. Well, that brings me to the special offer that we're doing. So there'll be a notification on Wednesday and on our website about a special offer we're doing between then and the end of the year, and it's to make the start of 2025 really exciting and something worth looking forward to. So watch out for the video, watch out for the mail, and take a look at the website. It'll be launched on Wednesday, but you've been warned. It's something special. Have a good Christmas. I'm Adrian Crawford, Williams Crawford, Passion for Porsche. See you soon.